Here I've got the Nike Huarache 9 Elite Mid Lacrosse Cleats here, and this is the gray, white, and luminous green color right here. So let me give you a close-up look at the shoe here, real nice and close up. You got the big Nike swoosh on this side, kind of has this cool little bit of glittery design on it there. The other side has a small swoosh on it. You can see some of the detailing here. A really interesting, cool looking shoe. Kind of has like a honeycomb pattern on it there. And you can kind of see the laces inside there, or these, the lace poles right there. So that looks pretty cool. This is this nice, I don't know what type of material this is, but kind of iridescent looking. It's really cool. Looks like it'll be waterproof as well. And then along the back, you have this like strap there. Has a few Nike logos on it as well. So maybe that'll provide some support there at the back of the heel. You got this green pole here at the heel and on the tongue. And then on the tongue, you have that little logo thing right there in silicone. You got these laces here. You kind of have this elastic here around the ankle for a nice tight fit. And then this part up here. There's a cushioned insole there on the inside as well. And then on the bottom, you have, you have all these cleats here, and that'll give you good traction on the grass. I guess that's where you play lacrosse, on the turf or grass. And then small swoosh down there. You can see there's the plastic is just around there like that. So the shoe itself, nice and stiff, very nice and lightweight. Should be a really nice, comfortable shoe that will provide nice traction for when you're playing lacrosse.